Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna share one of our family favorite recipe and very delicious appetizer, fried chicken bites, that is chicken pakora. They are really very easy to put together. So let's quickly see the recipe. Here I took 300 grams boneless chicken which I cut into small cubes. If you wish, you can use with bone as well. Take them to a bowl. Then we need little onion, finely chopped. It was about quarter cup after chopping. Then finely chop some coriander leaves and mint leaves as well. Add all of them to the chicken. Then I added half teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon tomato sauce, half teaspoon chili sauce, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, some freshly ground black pepper and salt as per your taste. Since we added all of these sauces, please be careful while adding the salt. Then mix everything well. Then I added 3 tablespoons corn flour and combined everything really well. If you want, you can add green chili paste or chili powder to make it more spicy. But we don't prefer it too spicy, that's why I didn't use it. Marinate the chicken at least for an hour or two, but overnight will be better. Now to fry our chicken, heat oil in a pan. Then take chicken one piece at a time along with masala and put them to the oil. Fry on a medium to low heat. Please don't keep flame high. And then chicken won't cook inside and outside will get burned fast. Just stir like this in between for even cooking. After chicken become golden color, take them off and put them to the tissue paper lined plate so that excess oil can be absorbed by the tissue. Repeat the same with the rest of the chicken. Our yummy chicken pakora is ready. We usually have them along with our evening tea. You can have them as a starter or as a side for your main meal. Do try and let us know the feedback. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.